Welcome back, folks. So how many stories begin, so there was a girl? Well, this cocktail is about a girl named Vesper. And if you dial back to Ian Fleming's book in 1953, Casino Royale, the Vesper is where this cocktail comes from. Now, it was also made into a movie in the early 2000s, but it was the same cocktail in both the book and the movie. It's got a ton of booze. So obviously James Bond is, he was a drinker, so this one fits it. So 3 ingredients, one of which you can't get anymore. So first of all, he calls for Gordon's gin. Now, I believe he was getting British Gordon's gin. This is not British Gordon's gin. This is plastic, but it's Gordon's, and it's actually made in Canada. Okay, for 16 bucks a handle, it's actually not bad. Then it calls for vodka. So you got gin and vodka because, you got to boost the alcohol up. Now, the original recipe called for Kina Lillet, which is not available. It's not made anymore. Lillet Blanc is very close to it, and some recipes have added just a dash of bitters will get you kind of back to where it was because it's a bit of a bitter cocktail. And of course, we're going to be using a shaker because James Bond was always shaken, not stirred. Do you think it makes a difference? Put a comment below if you think it does. I don't. And if you're enjoying our channel, if you'd hit the subscribe button, should be like down here. It really helps us out. Okay, but let's start the cocktail with 3 measures, or in our measure is going to be an ounce, 3 ounces of Gordon's gin. Okay, that's more gin than we've used in any cocktail. One cocktail, not we're making batches here. Then we're going to kick up the alcohol a little bit with Wheatley vodka. Wheatley is made by Buffalo Trace, very good stuff. So that's now a total of 4 ounces of liquor. And then we're going to add ½ ounce of Kina Lillet. And this stuff is a French aperitif wine. Really, really tasty stuff. We keep it in the fridge since it's a wine, and we do keep it vacuum sealed so it doesn't go bad. And I'm going to add 1 dash of Angostura bitters, the original bitter. Now, let's shake it up. So I can tell that cocktail is very cold because this is a single wall, not like your Yetis, where you can't feel anything. And it's a little stickery. There we go. So we're going to leave this part on because this has the strainer in it. Move that out of the way. And we're going into it, well, you know it. If you've watched this channel before, I use Viski glasses, V-I-S-K-I. It's a great brand. They make nice stuff. They're affordable, good stuff. And then our garnish, as it's called for, is a thin slice of lemon. And if you take the lemon and just squeeze it a little bit of it, you're going to get some of those oils in the skin. Also with the lemons we buy from the store, we wash them in the sink just to get any stuff, people's fingers on them off of it. So, and there you have it, the Vesper Martini. Something about once you have one of these, you'll never want to have anything else. Is that what James Bond said back to Vesper on this cocktail? So cheers, folks. Stay safe. Enjoy. Meh. It's okay. Is it great? If I was watching Casino Royale, this is a perfect drink to have. Would I want a second one? Well, clearly not, because I would be not able to walk. It's okay. Give it a try. Who knows? Cheers, folks.